Hi friends, in this bench wise assembly today we are going to see how to make this base plate in CATIA. So let's open CATIA, then go on start, then mechanical design and then part design. After that click on OK and now select any plane whatever you want and then go on sketch option from here. After that select one rectangle. You have to make first rectangle from the center. So make center rectangle, then make one rectangle, give dimensions to it by using this constraint option. So the length is of 144 and the breadth is given to us as 20. After that go on exit to workbench and the given thickness of plate is 6, so use this pad command and then give length at 6. After that we have to make holes on this surface, so select surface and then click on hole option from here. Now you have to first go on sketch option to give the axis to point where we want to sketch it. So this is the point and we want point, so let's first give dimensions to it from here. So use this constraint option. Distance between that external line to the center of hole is given as 38, so 38 is here, and distance between this external line to the center of hole is given as 10. So our position is fixed now. After that go on sketch option. We don't want simple blind type, so go on type and then countersink. We want countersink, so let's give, you can see all dimensions are here. So the given angle is of 45, so right here 45, and the depth is given as how much it is given as 3, so I wrote here 3. After that go on extension and now diameter is given to us as 7 and depth is given as up to last, so you can write here anything whatever you want, then click on OK. This is how our half plate is ready. So go on this tree and then this is the hole, so select hole and then go on mirror command and select the plane on which you want to mirror it and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our base plate. Thank you so much guys for watching it.